comes Johnny on his bicycle.
Hi.
There's Prissy over there, sniffing around.
I want to show you a real Prissy. Prissy.
Yeah, let's walk up here and look at the roses.
Whoopee! Look.
There's Tally over there sunning herself. Scratching fleas.
Mommy, take a look at this.
Yes, no, nobody wants to see that face. That's the neighbor's dog, a black one.
I don't point out the names of these flowers.
Okay.
Right? These are all the daddy's roses.
Okay.
This came from over in the bird bath. We're very surprised that the seeds spread all around in here. All of these are zinnias, pansies, that's a pansy, zinnia, marigold, good tulips. There's the vine, which I think is doing good. Rosebush, 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 and rosebush. They wanted to pull up this one, but I wouldn't let him because he thought it was dead. But it started to grow. And I'm surprised, too. Ah, a big beetle's in there. We'll have to tell him about that. He's a big fella. See him?
Mm-hmm.
There. There and so. Ron, you want to show me? Here, I'll go get my two potatoes.
Say what it is.
Two potato clocks working off of mud that zinnias are going to grow out of. And it's 4:32 at the time, see? 4, 3, 2. And this thing works off of 1.5 megavolts.
Joey, keep your hands off the
Mommy,
camera.
I need something to eat. A big starving Joey with 2 stickers on them. What? Right, now you see my Chippendale clock. Happy Thursday. Well, anyway, I was...
When you're so close, I can't see you. You got to back up. That's good.
And anyway, I was always wondering if I could have some to eat.
No.
My dinner.
Your dinner.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do it.
And they were the nice ladies and welcome on that celebration to Donna 14. I am bread of life. He that cometh to me shall never hunger. And he that believeth on me shall never thirst. John 6:35.
Yeah, I'm recording. In a second.
Now, Cheryl wanted TV down in Walmart, right? Yeah.
Your buddy, buddy.
And she had to go in there and get one thing, and she had both kids with her, and had a box there, supposed to put your name in. And so Cheryl was just walked by, and she understand, oh, Mommy, all right, put your name in the box. Yeah, so she said, oh, now it's on tape.
Yeah, put it on tape, man. It all goes through there, comes out in the water.
Dewey, you have to say something so we know you hear.
Yeah, down in Georgia.
I'm down in Georgia, I can tell you that. When do we eat? That's
We're still waiting for our lasagna. You've got empty, clean plates.
I got nothing on my plate. That's all we eat rather than look at that thing, you know.
Well, you know, we gotta, oh, you
You
can
gotta
take
make
it over.
something to send to Carol.
I gotta show them that strawberry shortcake with that in it. Want me to take it out and show it to you?
Okay, you can take it out. That'll give us something to do. It is on. I've got it.
Good stuff
showing.
today.
Ooh.
Wow.
Look at this. Whoa, look at those strawberries. Look how big, look at that size of that strawberry.
Don't drop it.
Yeah, that's
That
stuff.
was Johnny.
Doesn't that look
Don't
good?
drop it.
Yeah, it looks good.
So you better take a picture now, because later it'll be all gone.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't really see him through the lens, and I could see him better with the window down, Johnny, because I had it focused with no bars. Is he still there? Because I can't really see him with this.
Mm-hmm.
Is he moving?
No, he's still asleep. He's trying to climb up the bush. Do you see that thing that looks like a long stick sticking out of the bush?
Yeah.
That's him. Poppy and hollyhocks are in there. In the bed. This is the wagon wheel. Heavy too. Along with this one. And a birdhouse. Grandma's wildflowers and unwild flowers are across here. A bush there, and a bush here, and one bush there. Here goes the wizard running. Along with many, many tiger lilies there. You come up here with windmills and some ducks. They're very good because you don't have to feed them. Here's another windmill. And it's starting to rain. Oh, it's raining. Just yet. Here. Many flowers around. They're very nice. And I hope your camera's waterproof. Flowers are in here. More flowers. Bush flowers. Many bushes. We better get in because it's raining.
It is raining.
Skeeter!
Mom, this is the one-eyed cat. See him?
Ah, okay.
See?
Mm-hmm,
He's
I see
blind
him.
in one eye. And it's still raining. And he sheds too much. Anyway,
Don't forget Pop's garbage can there.
Pop's garbage can. You take this garbage can
Well, somebody's coming. Yep, just in time to be a movie star.
You got my shoes on, don't go on your hind. You got another pair of shoes? Yep, got straight out.
What was the matter? They had the wrong size?
Yeah. I took a pair of 36 and 38 and I said, maybe it's wrong. No, I couldn't get them more than one.
Mommy, it's starting to rain a little bit harder.
It's just drizzling.
I'm glad you got a for you too. I'm
Vines and flowers.
I tell you, honest to goodness, those things didn't come that far close. I didn't normally try my pants on. Right, Chet?
Right.
You take my picture?
Yep.
You take Dewey's picture over there?
Yep.
How come you don't have the light on? This thing isn't working.
It is on.
It's on. You just can't see it in the bright light.
And I hope your moisture light doesn't turn on.
And Skeeter's being a movie star, too.
Did you shoot a basket? Take a picture of my wagon wheel?
Yep.
Take a picture of my duck?
Yep. I started down the bottom of the driveway.
Oh, my goodness. You took all those pictures down around there? You take a picture of the dog?
Yep.
Go over there and see what Cheryl's doing. Yeah. There's no pictures, rain. This is how rain in Georgia. Rainy night in Georgia. Don, don't you have any shoes of your own?
No.
Storekeeper. Oh,
I'll point out the stuff in the back
okay.
here. New garbage can we bought today. Rick's car that Pop's gonna cut in half and fix. Flowers underneath the tree. Now that it's raining kind of hard. Many tomatoes over here. About right. And, oh, there's quite a few other details. If I can just find my other detail that I wanted to show you. An invention of mine. This is filled up with fix-a-flat, and it squirted out all over the place when Pop tried to fix it. It doesn't leak anymore. It was all over the cardboard, all himself. He finally got a little bit in it.
Let's go find the garden.
There's the garden. Roses. Hey, Rosebud. See you? Bud. Take the tree. Let's see. Hey, Grasshopper. Bye, Grasshopper. Trailer for lawnmower here. In the garden.
Okay.
I'll show you some of our huge cantaloupes.
Take a picture of my big kangaroo out in the yard?
No. Where is it?
Yeah, I wanted to show you that one.
Okay.
You want to
Where?
come here. Into the cantaloupe.
I'm coming.
No. Now, in the cantaloupe, I will show you the bigger one. I hope you...
She's laying there?
Right here is a bigger cantaloupe.
All right, let me pull it in.
Right there.
Take the leaf off.
Yeah, move the
How
leaf
big
so
it
I
is.
can see.
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah, all those ones, the ones over there.
Point out another one, Johnny. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Along with this one and this one.
I can't see those.
Oh, you have to go around the other side and look from the other side. over there.
Okay.
You walk in the garden, you know, get right on top of it and get a picture of the food, man.
Well, when you get too close to something, you can't see it sometimes. You gotta...
Right here's one of them.
Move the leaves. Oh, yeah, I see two now.
Yeah, those two.
Mm-hmm.
And there's one
You see
little
how
one.
fat this one is there? You saw how fat that one is, right? That's a big one.
Yeah.
That one over there. Over here we got one. Over there there's one. They all got some on them.
With garlic. You like garlic? Well, there's plenty of it. You want to focus in on garlic? If not, then you can focus in on squash. There's some squash, another bit of squash.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this, a big squash. That's squash.
Yeah.
And did you focus in on the garlic?
Yep. There it is.
The root of it is the garlic part. And there's some more squash. And you can see the fencing because Pop had fenced it up the deer's race. Come here. Ow. Ah.
Cut the grass on the thing that big,
Stop cutting the grass at the time. See? You love the way he gets out. He gets out a very odd way. You will see.
Yeah, run and get the regular shoes on. Got a big old pile out the shoes on. I guess I gotta do this to it.
Here's Grandma cooking up some chicken.
Well, I haven't even had a chance to get cleaned up yet. Come on.
Follow me, sir.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Yeah.
Hot right.
Hey, this boy is getting hot.
Tell her what it is.
Yeah.
What are these?
So cheap.
He's my narrator.
Hey. Well, we're in the living den now. The
Okay.
living room next door. Den. Beautiful fireplace.
All
Yeah.
right. Beautiful fireplace.
With a cuckoo clock.
And then I'll show you to your room, sir.
It sounds like
Okay.
this.
All right. Where? There, okay. There's the cuckoo clock. Which cuckoo clock are you showing? This one?
I'm going to show this one and show you that when it gets to the... This one doesn't run. It'll run, but Granny shuts it off.
Okay.
And then... And it doesn't even cuckoo right, you see?
Mhm.
See?
Yeah.
And... It's too hot up here. I'll sleep in the basement.
Sorry, sir. There's a convention in the basement. You'll have to pay $3.50, sir. Good job.
And we shall go into the living room. It took me forever to get the carpet fixed, so get the carpet in focus. I moved everything out except for the couches, this table, and this. That's all. I moved everything else out. And they're heavy, some of those things, like that big chair. Dining room with nice lights too.
He's the narrator.
I came to tell him the dog food, the cat food's not in the car.
All right, I'll put that in just
When you finish
a while.
here with Mom.
All right. Now we can go into the hall. Along with my dictionary. And glue dried now. It should be. Waiting for a week. The most beautiful hall in the world. I think. Anyway, this is the hall and light switch for the attic.
Oh, that's not interesting.
Huh.
Open bedroom door.
Joey's bedroom.
Thank you. Okay.
You're welcome. Beautiful bedroom. Plenty of room in here. This is my room. And I'm especially fond of the
Okay.
radio.
Mhm.
We can take the
No, that's
which is locked. As a shortcut to join
okay.
in the closet.
We don't need to sit in the closet.
Through here. Now, this bathroom links my room that we were just in to this room.
Okay.
Maestro, huh?
Well, those are my 2 songs that I have memorized. I can't read notes. Get this one closed. I want to do something. So what are you trying to do? Can I hold the thing? Here goes one.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see.
Up, Joey, not down. The opposite is down. Up. I'll show you. How do I see that? What's the rain? You're on speaker.
Don't close that on Johnny's fingers.
Hello, I'm Danny Hudson. Let me take over.
Hey, do it your funny way you do it.
I don't know.
Hey, do it like you do it.
It's recording. You just
Okay,
use
the R
these
is
fingers.
on record. Okay. Okay.
Now with the camera.
I want you to watch this when you get home, and I want you to say, well, he's very good with that camera.
All right. Did you get a picture of Brooke's face there with the balloons on it? You got it?
She was shy.
She was shy. I want you to get a picture of that top trim here, Danny. I want to show this to my mother-in-law. Show Donna's artistic ability.
You didn't finish it? Daddy's on the ball. wallpaper to do.
Still going here.
Too bad these are these plastic? They are?
Yeah, they're real.
They look
Weird. When we first got them, they were real shiny. And then as they're sitting there, they get older and they go to turn dark.
little pumpkin.
Little tiny pumpkin.
Look at this little pumpkin here, Danny. The littlest pumpkin you ever seen.
Jack-o'-lantern.
Like little gourds, right? I think they rub vegetable oil on this to make them shine.
Here, you can put like future floor wax on.
Oh, yeah?
Circular.
Mayonnaise. It'll last for years, though.
Mine never.
No?
In fact, I've had some that
This is weird. It looks
absolutely
like
rotted.
lemon lime.
Of course,
Don't you think so?
Pretty neat the way it's got a perfect line around there.
player's been dipped in paint.
Yeah.
Or here's my favorite. Corn.
I like that little thing, huh?
Did you grow any pumpkins in your
Well, I
garden?
had a few plants, but I didn't get anything. They dried up. It was a long, dry summer. I had some watermelons, though, and believe it or not, the watermelons did all right, because they really didn't start to develop until after some rains came this fall. And they're about the size of footballs or so. And I got tomatoes, a couple of cantaloupes, and sunflowers.
How's the cantaloupes do?
I got a few good ones. A couple of good ones. Most of them came from her father's house.
Did you do good with cantaloupes? Not too many people around here trying to grow cantaloupes.
Oh, I had talent here for roses.
Growing roses. Got fresh roses in there.
All day, bringing to work, and my mother-in-law, roses.
I always wanted to get into that. I wanted to put a fence like between, well, about where the bird came.
Anybody want to go in the backyard?
Have climbing roses like that?
Anybody want to go in the backyard and play?
Buy a well-established plant. Don't go to Kmart, buy those $3 plants. Buy one of those 5-gallon deals. Take a stalk.
See if you can find some else that found out up there.
Dig your hole, put in peat moss, put bone in.
When do you plant them though? In
Uh,
fall?
springtime, spring. First bugs you're going to get on are aphids, little green aphids. You can see them on there. You need to get a spray and spray for the aphids. Now usually I only spray once or twice a year. The initial spray usually gets them all. About a month later, if you got some more, you got to spray again. Then no other bugs seem to touch them except Japanese beetles, and later in the summer, you use that 7 dust on them. Okay, now, when the roses flower, cut your roses and bring them inside. If you let them die on the vine, cut them before they totally die. If the plant goes to seeds, then it'll stop production of roses. Also, another good hint is, when you cut the rose, count down the stalk. I only grow hybrid teas. I have a floribunda, but I only grow just as much so they're long.
No. I couldn't get that.
You can cut that one.
You know the other way.
Just above it. They need a little attention, a little more attention than normal flowers do. To the bugs.
One down. Here we go. Look, I see. Kitty bar. Hey, Dad, record there.
They get the
You get the loose bolts so you can pick
you pick through them, and always, whenever you buy any type of bolt, buy the biggest bolt you can afford. You know, if they're on sale and you know you get so many for this amount of money, and you look at the bolts and they're teeny little bolts, they're going to be lousy. Also, bolts love bone meal. Love it. Anytime you dig a bolt and put a tablespoon of bone meal. It's a slow fertilizer. It doesn't burn the plant. It's very slow release, but it encourages the flower more. And because it's long lasting, you don't have to use the bone meal on bulbs every year. You can let it go for